Yo, what's up, nigga?
Griffin Automotive, this is Chris.
Hello, Chris.
Hi.
Could you help me, please?
I can. What can I do for you?
The chain came off my bike.
Excuse me?
My bike doesn't move. Could you help me?
You know what, ma'am? You're breaking up, and I can't understand what you're saying.
What?
Are you on a cell phone? Are you on a cell phone?
Yes.
Okay, I can't hear you.
A cellular, bananular phone.
Okay, I can't understand you, ma'am. I'd love to help you, but I can't understand what you're saying. How can I help you?
It's broken.
What's broken?
My bike.
Okay.
Do you understand?
What kind of car? A Toyota what?
It's a motorcycle.
What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Sergei.
Okay.
I like pie and kittens.
Okay. Why don't you bring your car in so I can look at it, okay?
How about you? Can you come and look at my car?
No, we cannot. You
My
have to
car
bring it
does
to
not
us.
move. It does not move.
Okay, then have
no
it towed
wheels.
in. Have it towed in then. Okay. Do you have our address?
No.
It's 1542.
Wait, 15 or 50?
1542
What?
State Street.
49, 69.
1542 State Street. How did you hear about me, ma'am?
My son told me about you.
Okay, very good. 1542.
69, 46.
1542. 1542 State Street.
1942. A good year.
Okay. It's 1542. 1542 State
What?
Street.
State Street?
State. S-T-A-T-E.
Is that somewhere near Chernobyl?
Okay. Is there anybody else there I could talk to?
You can talk
Ma'am?
to him. Wait, I give him.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What?
And your name is, sir?
Problem.
Okay.
My name is Victor.
Hi, Victor. I'm Chris.
Hey,
the car
Chris.
will not start?
No.
Okay, very good. You need to have the car towed in. Could you hold 1 second, please?
It's bad. It's bad.